Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to embed some different stuff in the Linoit app. So first, to embed a photo, we're going to go over here to this little picture in that right hand corner. You'd say choose a file, and we're just going to choose any file we have. I'm going to use this one. And you would open that up, it'd download, and you would post. And then you can bring it around to wherever you would need it on that board. Then for a video, you'd press that video one over here. As you can see, it says please input a URL of the video page you'd like to post. Supported formats of URLs are as follows. And so you would just basically take a URL. We can see this YouTube video we had in class. You'd copy that and then just paste it and then post, and you can see that video is here for you to drag around. Lastly, for a PDF, you would just go choose a file. Where is it? I'll just find any PDF I have. So here's just some transcripts of mine, but it's a PDF. And then you would just write whatever tag you want, and then there you go, it's right there for you to open. And that's it. Thank you.